I was born in a village in Kerala, which is in Kottayam. It was not that easy decision for someone to really to make a journey to become an artist from a village in Kerala, I see. But then my idea was to get out of the state and study in a place where it suits me as a kind of a village boy. My choice was naturally going to Shantiniketan. I felt so comfortable as a student. So one of the villages that I had to cross was Balipada. And there I met this young man whose name is Musui. And basically he was asking for bread. But then you don't normally come across somebody asking for bread with a great smile on his face. I told I will give you something if you sit for me as a model. With this birth of a sculpture of this young boy, also beginning of a sculptor being born. Later it's almost like becoming an alter ego of mine. So while working on a series of sculptures connected to Musui, the Santal boy, I felt the necessity of the counterpart, who I named Maya. Now Musui and Maya, these are the two characters that constantly appears in my sculptures. Shantiniketan and Kudumattam. From both villages, I draw a lot of things. My mother used to make a spice, which was probably never found anywhere else. And that particular spice is something so special. It's called Chammanthi Podi. Basically, it is done with coconut, dry ginger and coriander and many other things. I don't know, you cannot really say a kind of a recipe for that. It has its own aroma, it has its own texture, it has its own taste. If I come across anything which has even anything tasteless, I add that to will make it your own. It becomes really strongly you get connected to that taste. No meal is complete without that Chammanthi Podi. And you make a home out of it.